Enchanté, Leçon 5, deuxième partie. So today we're going to do the last and final part of Enchanté, Leçon 5. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin. We will start our lesson with le verbe avoir. अब अभी तक हमने एक ही वर्ब सीखी थी फ्रेंच में which was le verbe être. बट अब फाइनली बारी है एक नई वर्ब सीखने की which is avoir. And what does it mean? It means to have. Okay? So before we understand where and how we use it, इसकी conjugation देख लेते. So just repeat after me, all right? J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. Nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Okay? So j'ai, I have, tu as, you have, il ou elle a, he or she has, nous avons, we all have, vous avez, you all have, et ils ou elles ont, they all have. So here one thing which is different is you can see कि जब हम être verb conjugate कर रहे थे we were using je suis where je was written, but since here ai the verb is starting with the vowel, we use j apostrophe. Okay, now when do we use avoir? The verb avoir means to have. So if I want to say that I'm in possession of something, like j'ai deux stylos, I have 2 pens. Elle a un cahier, she has a notebook. And we also use the verb avoir to tell a person's age. So if I say j'ai 10 ans, I am 10 years old. Il a 15 ans, he is 15 years old. But don't you think this is something strange? avoir का मतलब है have, और age का जब बताते हैं तो is यूज होता है. So why is it happening? Quel âge as-tu? What is your age again? So did you notice? J'ai 10 ans. I am 10 years old. When I told you about this example, the sentence I am 10 years old, if I literally translate it, it should be je suis 10 ans. That makes sense, right? So être verb में हमने किया था je suis, I am. But in French we use the verb avoir to tell someone's age. So you can remember it this way, that it actually means I have 10 years of age. तो बच्चों समझने के लिए हम इसे ऐसे समझते हैं कि जब हम avoir verb यूज कर रहे हैं to tell our age, we are actually translating the sentence as I have this many years of age. Okay? And इसीलिए although हम लोग इंग्लिश में habitual है to use is-am-are while telling the age, in French we have to get used to using the verb avoir. Okay? तो अब verb हो गई है, तो next चीज क्या होगी? एक exercise. So पहली exercise है जहां आपको करने हैं columns match. वीडियो को करिए pause, try करिए ये exercise, and once you're done, come back and match your answers with the slide right here. तो इस तरह की एक्सरसाइज करने से you get confident that you have understood the conjugation of the verb. And जब वो confidence आ जाए तो exercise number 2 करी जाए. Now you have to fill in the blanks using the verb avoir. Okay? ध्यान रखना सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट क्या है, उस हिसाब से ही avoir की conjugation वहां लिखना. ठीक है? एंड जैसे ही हो जाए आपको पता है क्या करना है, वापस आके आंसर्स को यहां से करना है मैच. तो ये हमारा चैप्टर 5 का एक कॉन्सेप्ट हुआ कंप्लीट, व्हिच वाज ले वर्ब avoir. अब पढ़ते हैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक की ओर, व्हिच इज ले nombres cardinaux. सो अभी तक जो हमने नंबर्स सीखे हैं वो कहां तक सीखे थे बच्चे जी? 20 तक. बट आगे भी तो बढ़ना है ना. So एक बार रिवाइज कर ले 0 to 20 के नंबर्स. Just keep on repeating after me, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Très bien. Let's move ahead and learn the counting from 21 to 100 today. Okay? So, अब मैंने इसको ना rules के हिसाब से break किया in groups. So, first we'll understand how do we write the numbers from 20 to 69. So, for writing the numbers from 20 to 69 in French, आपको क्या करना है? You just add the single number which is at the units place to the tens number. And दूसरी चीज, एक हाइफन यूज होगा उन दोनों को आपस में जोड़ने के. Let's look at an example. 20 is one and 2 is the. So if I want to write 22, I will write that the. Likewise, 30 is trente, 7 is set. So if I want to say 37, it will be trente set. And lastly, you see as an example, 40 is quarante, 9 is neuf. So 49 would become 49. Easy, right? So the next rule here, the numbers like 21, 31, 41, 51 and 61, jo ones place, they are written in a different manner. So what do you think it will be? 21 without hyphen or 21 with hyphen? Both are correct. But putting the ET in between is very important. Okay, बच्चा? चलिए. Quickly अब हम देखेंगे counting from 20 to 29. एक बात और बच्चों, क्योंकि हम 100 तक counting कर रहे हैं, we cannot do the pronunciation of each and every slide. But कुछ numbers I'll randomly pick from the slide and you can repeat after me. Okay? So let's look at this. 20 is 20, 21 21. And let's look at 24 is what? 24, 28, 28, 29, 29. Easy, right? इसी तरह 30, 30. Yeah? So 31, 31, 32, 32, 35, 35, 39, 39. समझ आ गया ना पैटर्न? So you have to take the tens place, जो भी number है, and add the ones place to it. But putting a hyphen is important, alright? Let's move to the next. 40 is 40. So 45 would be 45. 48, 48. Très bien. We are 50. 50. 51, 51. 54, 54. 57, 57. Très bien. Et finalement, on a 60. 60 is 60. So 61 would be 61. 64 would be 64. 66, 66. And 69, 69. Now what next, kids? आगे की counting. So what after 69? So the numbers after 69, they follow a different rule. So the number 70 in French is 70, which is actually 60 plus 10. Okay? Now the rest of the numbers you should have understood by now. वो यही pattern follow करेंगे. 60 plus 11, 60 plus 12, and this way we'll go till 79. Okay? So let's look at the counting. 70 is 70. So 71 becomes 71. You see, यहाँ पे ET use नहीं हुआ. Okay? 72, 72. 74, 74. 75, 75. Now look at this, 77. 77. 60 plus 10 plus 7. 79, 79. Okay, तो ये पैटर्न आपको याद रखें. Now, what next? What after 79? So, with the numbers in the 80s, 80 is used, which is like saying 420s. So, now suddenly multiplication aa gaya counting mein. So, French counting is like that. So, the rest of the number in the 80s will follow the same pattern. 420s plus a number from 1 to 9. Let the real math begin. Let's look at this, kids. 80. Since it's 420s, we put an S in the end of 20. It becomes 80 with an S. But when I say 81, it's 80. Now, two things to notice. Number one, I dropped the S. Number two, ET को मैंने यहाँ use नहीं किया. Okay? Now, what next? 82. 80. So notice the maths. 4 into 20 plus 2. And likewise, we have the remaining counting, as you can see. 83, 84, 88, 89. Alright, kids. Now, can you guess what happens next? What after 89? और क्या ही math करोगे? The number 90 in French is 90. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? 80 plus 10. So, it is a combination of 80 plus 10. And the rest of the numbers will follow the same pattern. A number from 80s plus a number from 11 to 20. Okay? Plus a number from 10 to 90. Okay? Let's look at it. 90. 80 plus 10. 91 would be 92. 92. 93. 93. So you see the same pattern being followed now. 97. 97. 98. 98. 99. 99. 4 into 20 plus 10 plus 9. Oh, this is real math, okay? And finalement, what do we say number 100? It is 100. Okay? 100. Okay. Let's learn the pronunciation of the numbers at the tens place. Just repeat after me, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Très bien, mes enfants. Alors, on pratique? Let's practice the numbers. So, here I've given a list of numbers that you have to write in French. अब मुझे पता है आप ऐसे बोलोगे मैम अभी याद थोड़ी हुआ है तो मैंने कौन सा याद करके टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम योर नोट्स. अगर देखना हो तो सिर्फ टेंस प्लेस वाला नंबर देखना. वंस वाले तो आई होप आपको आते होंगे. एंड देन उसके बाद ये एक्सरसाइज करने का ट्राई करना. ठीक है? Once you're done, match your answers with the slide right here. And with this, kids, we mark not only the end of this lesson, but also the end of the syllabus of this term. So, first term का syllabus हमारा हो गया है complete. अब मैं मिलूंगी आपसे अगले term में next 5 chapters की वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए bonne chance, all the best pour tous les examens, for all your exams. And keep learning, keep practicing, okay? Au revoir.